All that stress on my brain, right? Poker face, I'm in the game, right? Need a week to think, maybe.
Before we get into the video all the way, y'all, we are doing a Cool Gray giveaway. The Air Jordan 4 Cool Gray, set to release August 1st. Suggested retail sticker of $190. Me and the bros have teamed up, and we're going to be doing this giveaway absolutely free. Rules are very simple. They will be in a link in the description box. All you have to do is be subscribed to our YouTube channels. That's myself, DeVintage World, SkipGoesHard, and SneakerAdditionz. And be following us all on Instagram. And make sure that you don't have anything on private. We got to be able to see that you are actually subbed and you are actually following us on IG and YouTube. And then come back to the video, comment your IG and your shoe size, and you will be entered. We will announce the winner before the shoes drop. So go ahead, look down, link in the description box, enter the giveaway. It's very simple. And y'all, we're going to get straight to the video. Get it! What's going on, everybody? Y'all already know, man, it's your boy DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist. And today, man, we are not in the sneaker dungeon right now. Today's video is based off of the Regal. We got some stuff in for the Gbody. And I told y'all, I'm going to take y'all on the ride. I got 3 packages in. I got 2 right here, and I got 1 in the crib. We're going to open up these things real quick, man, see what we're working with. Now, this is some stuff that I ordered, and I already know which ones these are. So I told you guys I'd be working on the outside of the car, trying to get the car right. And, you know what I'm saying? Got these Regal symbols in. Y'all see them. I'll flip the camera around too. I honestly think that these are the wrong ones. I honestly think these are the wrong ones. These aren't the right ones. This definitely is not the right one. It's not, y'all. It's definitely not the right one. F my life. So we got another package right here, man. We're gonna crack open this one. It is what it is, man. I'm on eBay looking for this stuff, man. Now this might be, now this is definitely not the one that I wanted, I don't think, but it's as close as it's the closest I found it online. We're gonna look at it, man, and if I don't like it, man, y'all already know, man, I'll return that joint, man. I'll return that joint. But on eBay, trying to find the right stuff, and I actually think these are gonna be straight. These are gonna be straight. These right here are gonna be straight, y'all. So how y'all doing today, man? What y'all been up to, man? Your boy has been to the hospital 2 days in a row. It's a whole nother story. But we did get these limited signs in as well. So now we're gonna get out the car and we're gonna look at these things and see how they match up for. Yeah, that shit ain't matching up to me. At least this shit ain't matching up. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys anyway. Then we're gonna go open up the other box as well. So come on, y'all. Definitely just took an L, I think. So if y'all look, we good on the Regal Limited sign. The sign that came in is actually straight. You know what I'm saying? This actually came off of 86 right here. But that's good. However, that's not good. This is no bueno. Look at this shit, man. This shit's no bueno. That shit don't go, man. That shit don't match up with that. So I'm probably gonna be returning these. But this is what the back of it's looking like. I don't even need a new Regal symbol on this side. I just need the new limited symbol. See, put that black right there. That's it. Let's slide inside. Let's open up this next package real quick. So we back in the crib, y'all. And I ain't gonna lie, I'm slightly disappointed that I ordered the wrong Regal logo. And I don't want nobody pulling up on the whip being like, ooh, you got that Fugazi Regal Limited. You know what I'm saying? Nah, we ain't trying to do that. But we got some more stuff to unbox real quick, so we gonna get into that too. Y'all already know, man, look at that thing. We got them door seals in, you dig? So we're gonna check these things out, man. We're gonna pop these things open. Let me get a knife real quick. Here we go with the door seals, y'all. And why is there? So y'all, I'm looking at this and I'm thinking it's a door seal for. Man, they told me, bruh, they sent me the wrong door seal, bruh. They sent me the wrong damn door seal, bruh. Hold on. I thought this was one door seal inside this box and another door seal inside the other box, but apparently, y'all, this is like 2 front door seals. I got a coupe. This definitely doesn't fit the car, and I can just tell you guys off rip because, and I got this from an auto spot. I mean, they on eBay, but they got a real auto store and stuff like that. You know, eBay's just like doing like a third party, you know, second party. Yo, this is not fit. I ain't even got to take it out to the car to show you guys that it don't fit, because I know it don't fit, because this ain't what my door. I should have like that round. Man, I'll post a picture right there for you guys. I should have a round thing going around it, and there's no door. This don't even, bruh. No, bruh. Come on, man. Hey, I think I just took a L on eBay. No cap. The only thing that came out right was that limited logo, and I am pissed that the other one is that lowercase. So now I'm about to get on eBay real quick, and we're gonna look for the right stuff, man. And this is crazy because I know this is wrong. I'm about to write to people, man. I need to return these because just looking at it, let me see what the top say on this. It says sedan weather stripping instructions, 1955 to current. It might fit, y'all. I might be playing, it might fit. But that ain't what the one that looked like that's on my car right now. Not even trying to cap. Let me see what the box say. It say door seal front, 78 to 81 Century, 82 to 87. Bruh, it's a sedan. It say Regal, but that's a sedan, bruh. And it says 78 to 83 Cutlass or Malibu, and 78 to 88 Cutlass all. That shit don't fit though, bro, because this says 2 parts on this top, and this one says 2 parts as well. But I'm trying to see what it says on the back, y'all. So if y'all look, this one says, where is it at? It says front door on this one. This right here says, y'all can read it too, look. This just says door seal front. Now, one thing about that saying door seal front is I only got 2 doors on the car. This one says rear door seal. Y'all can see that right there, look at that. I didn't even look at it to see that. But there's 2 in here and there's 2 in here. That's for a sedan. We got a coupe, so your boy Retro just struck out. But you know what? We're going to go online. We're going to check this stuff out. I'm probably going to keep recording. I don't know, man. I'm low-key pissed off, so I might not even do a video today. I am mad. If this video go up, I'm just doing it because I love y'all and I want y'all to see I'm pissed right now. So the verdict of the story is that I hit up the people. I'm going to be returning the Regal symbol and getting the right one. I did find the right one. I am going to be getting the new seals for the doors. I hit up the people and I talked to the lady L'Oreal from the auto store or whatever website, and she was like, all right, too easy. She was like, just send them back. She said we should have probably specified it a little bit better, because on there it said, I typed in, they asked you for your car and everything. I typed it in and it came up with those. But the thing is that because they do have a sedan that takes those, I don't know, somehow it popped up. Maybe I was tired when I ordered the shit and I just ordered the wrong one, but it is what it is. I ordered it and now I'm just politely gonna return it, just like I'm returning that other Regal symbol, and I've already ordered the other one. Too easy, you know what I'm saying? Then we got the strip that's coming next. We got the dash. We got the cover for the dash that we're gonna do. I am about to switch out the tires and put back on the factory tires. Just put like a bigger one though. I need to get new ones because the ones that I got, they dry rotted because he never rode on them. But they look decent. They look hella decent, but they not good. Then yeah, man, just, y'all already know, man, we got other stuff coming in. Just a little short little vlog today, just fooling around. I've been in the hospital, y'all, 2 days in a row, emergency room. You know what I'm saying? I've had issues with my eyes as a kid. Actually, really just the right eye. And now the left eye acting funny. I don't know what the hell's going on, y'all. I went to the, crazy thing is I went to the emergency room yesterday, right? Get this, y'all. Listen to this. Listen to this quick story. I went to the emergency room yesterday, right? I was in there all morning and going into the afternoon, right? When I got done with that, I came home with the little meds that they gave me for my eyes and everything, and that didn't do nothing. I woke up this morning looking like I got beat up by Tyson 3 times and got knocked out by Brock Lesnar. You know what I'm saying? Like, just straight up, eyes just big. So I was like, all right, boom, I'm going back. So I go back to a different emergency room and get the same damn doctor. I'm like, how the hell you show up here, bruh? Like, I was like, bro, I'm going to get a different opinion from a different doctor, but that's cool because tonight I'm going to a different hospital. Because, man, like when I was younger, man, the stuff with my eye, that's why when people be seeing I got them little dots over here, some people be thinking that they teardrops, but really I had chicken pox when I was younger, and the chicken pox was like going, like it was going in. It was, you know, that's why they got all up there, they was going in, and it was almost fatal for your boy, you know what I'm saying? So I escaped that, and then I ended up having it come back again when I was like 8. I might have been 8, and that happened for the first time when I was like 5. So yeah, maybe 9. Maybe the first time I was 6 and the second time I was 9. It was a 3-year part difference, but that happened because I was swimming. I used to be on the swim team growing up, and the chlorine like wasn't mixing well with my eye, and it agitated it, and then I had to go back. And now this time, you know, everything was cool. I woke up on Wednesday and I was like, dang, eyes look a little swollen. And you know what I'm saying? At first I thought it was a sty, but it was like, you know, I was like, I ain't never had a sty. So I was all like, I went to the doctor and everything. When I went to work, it was like, oh, you're contagious, that's a sty. Then when I went to the doctor, he was like, nah, bro, you might just be allergic to something. And I was like, he was like, you touch anything? I'm like, nah, bro, I ain't allergic to shit that I know of. I'm G6PD deficient, but that's got to do with taking like malaria pills from when you come back from places, and they want you to take these recovering pills and different things. Why I've been wearing the shades, man, my eyes have been messed up. I don't know why. Doctor said it might be allergic reaction. They gave me some antibiotics, but I'm gonna just see how it plays out. I'm probably 9 times out of 10 going back to the doctor tonight because I plan to go to a different hospital and hopefully I see a different doctor. Ain't no way he working tonight when he was working yesterday and the other day, so he can't be there. And I want to get a different opinion, and maybe they can figure out what's wrong. They probably gonna keep your boy overnight just because of the history that I've had with my eyes. But it's your boy DaRetroWizKid. I hope you guys like the video, like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys know of any places to order car parts online for old schools, drop it down below. I got my peoples out here helping me out looking for stuff, but you know, I think I just jumped the gun on the Regal symbol in the actual weather strips, but it is what it is. I get to take them back. I get to get the ones that I need. I already got the Regal symbol that I need now, so we A-okay with that. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch y'all tomorrow in the next video. Peace, love, Laguna Beach. Stay positive. Hey, y'all know how we coming. 2019 is the takeover. Get it!